Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance account with Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a leading mobile cryptocurrency wallet, offering a secure way to manage your digital assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, giving you full control over your funds. While Binance acquired Trust Wallet, they operate as separate platforms. This means you'll be transferring assets between them, not creating one inside the other. Let's get started. First, you need to set up your Trust Wallet. Head to your phone's App Store and download the official Trust Wallet application. Once installed, open it and choose to create a new wallet. You will be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down precisely and store it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is your master key. Losing it means losing access to your crypto, and sharing it means giving someone else access. Keep it secret, keep it safe. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide and learning something new, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Speaking of keeping things tidy, your crypto portfolio isn't the only thing that deserves a clean sweep. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for your home, offering voice control, self-emptying, and it's totally pet-friendly. You can find the link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's move some crypto from Binance to your Trust Wallet. In your Trust Wallet, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin. Tap the Receive button to display your unique wallet address for that asset. Copy this address. Then, go to your Binance account, navigate to the Withdrawal section, and select the same cryptocurrency. Paste the copied Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the network and the address before confirming your transfer. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always, and I mean always, double-check the wallet address before you finalize any transfer. A single incorrect character can send your funds to an irretrievable address. For significant amounts, consider sending a small test transaction first, perhaps $5 worth, to ensure everything works correctly. Also, make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled on both your Binance account and your Trust Wallet for an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.